Alright, we've made the adjustments on the mouth. So I think we're going to be okay now. We'll have to check it. I put the spring and the string on temporarily, so I make sure we don't have anything blocking that. So now we'll hook the mouth back, screw the mouth back in here, and see what we got. This is your most important step, is to make sure this mouth is working properly before you move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. See, I think we're okay now. That's going to open up okay. Okay, so now we'll take our 1/2-inch dowel, and that's going to go right in here. Get our string down through here first. So we'll place this in here and check, make sure it's not catching on anything, and that it's going to work properly. So you can see we got the spring attached, so the mouth opens, and that's going to work out good. So what we're going to do is we'll glue this dowel in here now, put a couple of nails in there to keep it from coming loose, and then we'll be ready to move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.